In this video, I'll show you how to add Grok AI to PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. If you want to make your presentations faster, smarter, and easier to build, this is a quick tutorial you'll want to follow. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. Once PowerPoint is open, make sure you're on the Home tab at the top of the screen. This is where you'll find the main tools and options you need to get started. Now, look for the Add-ins option. In many versions of PowerPoint, this may be shown as Get Add-ins or Add-ins depending on your setup. Click on it to open the add-in store. After that, use the search bar and type in Grok AI. This will search for the Grok AI add-in inside the PowerPoint add-ins library. If the add-in appears in the results, click on it to open the details page. From there, select Add to install it into PowerPoint. You may be asked to sign in or confirm permissions before the add-in is added, so just follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Once the installation is complete, Grok AI should now be available inside your PowerPoint app. You can usually access it from the add-ins area or the relevant toolbar section, depending on your version of PowerPoint. At this point, you're ready to start using Grok AI to help with your presentation workflow. Whether you want help generating ideas, writing content, or speeding up your slide creation process, having the add-in installed makes things much more convenient. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.